Unlock the door. And get your own stuff. We ain't got time. We wasting time. I wish you bring your bag on so we can go in here and put some work in. Let's go. Let's roll. Over here at D-Bet. Put some batting practice in.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.
This girl here, she don't take care of nothing. She done broke her back out here at batting practice.
Yes, I did.
And she think it's funny.
I hit it way too hard.
For that
Was a home run for that. I got the break.
Yeah, I'm automate you run home for after breaking it.
Michael Jordan.
All right. Go in there and hit.
Taste sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
On Brooklyn bent knee, 20 push-ups, and 5 dips, 5 balls, 60 miles an hour. Let's see who do the push-ups.
Be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I be getting loud, you can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease, just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can, just tell me that I can. Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Let me get them 20.
No.
Cause I ain't heard the ball hit the bat yet.
All you did was and strike. Go.
1.
Let's switch. Let's turn your hips.
That hurt though.
Turn your hips.
2, 3,
Turn your hips.
4, 5.
You're not supposed to go up. Like, step. Turn your hips.
6. Give me 10.
Okay.
7, 8. 9. All the way down for 10.
That's
Come on.
it. You said
Hey, do it. You got to do the last one right. You got to do the last one right.
All the way down. I went all the way down.
Yeah, you ain't come back up though.
Yes, I did.
Get the last one. Now come on back up. I'm gonna let you have.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision.
Somebody boo-hooing cause she can't hit the ball cause it's going too slow. Explain to me why you can't be patient and swing and hit the ball like you're supposed to. Huh? Why you crying?
It's going slow. I can't hit the ball slow.
You're gonna be different pitches. All kind of styles. Curve ball, drop ball, rise ball. You got to be patient and swing the bat. See how you hit me? You can hit that ball. She done finally dried them tears. So let's see what she do when she get back out there. Cause I'm gonna drop it down to 45. Okay. So we're gonna end this video from D-Back that did a great job doing Brooklyn. But we're gonna end it on a good note. What you gonna Lord her for? So what I wanna do is tell you that you had a wonderful season and all of the things you've been through for the last couple of years, and you always got the trophy but you didn't get the ring. And you didn't pout or get sad about it. You as long as you played good and you was playing softball, you were okay with it. And for that reason, I think that you're a good sport about doing stuff like that. Last year you were the 10U MVP. I think that's bigger to me than winning the championship. They picked you out of all the 10-year-olds to be MVP. So we don't know what's gonna happen next year, but hopefully you get it again. But to me, you're the MVP, and being that you didn't get a ring, you're my MVP. And I want to give you that. And I want you to know that I'm proud of you and keep doing what you're doing. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I love you. Show everybody your ring. Show them that bling bling. All right, now. That's the end of this video. We'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel, man. We ain't doing this for nothing. We ain't doing it for nothing. We're trying to make y'all laugh. We're trying to give y'all some softball. Letting y'all see my baby skills. We want y'all to subscribe, comment, share it. All that. We're going to give you what you want. And we ain't cutting out nothing. See? Look at her. She looks But anyway, peace out.
Booty cheek.